So I had to come back to this Kia. I wanted to go a little longer because I was curious. And excuse me. So what do we got here? We have 30 degrees coming out the dash. That is the dash temperature right there. And that is pressure there. Look at our superheat. We're subcooling right now. This is after about 15 minutes of running. We are getting down there. This does allow it to get low. Now, right now with our humidity and everything like that, the dew point is like 28 degrees before you start freezing. Or well, you would be freezing right now at this temperature, so hold it. But I mean, before you'd start getting condensate, actually, yeah, dew point 23 degrees. And so we have a really low dew point right now. All right, so that's what it is on this Kia. This is a 2018 electric compressor. And I wonder what the guys with the cans who like to see like 150 psi like they always say they would like to see, and that means you're full. I wonder what will happen if I keep on squirting in refrigerant and adding refrigerant until I see 150 psi. Wonder what will happen to this compressor. Interesting. Then I guess they tell the customer, hey, Mr. Customer, your compressor's dead. You need a new one. What a way to make sales. All right, see you guys.